my loves, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, hi, my name is Deborah Bombs and you're so welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm basically going to be sharing with you guys this simple flat twist hairstyle which you can use to go to work, you can use to go to school. It literally takes 10 minutes and this is what my hair is currently looking like. So I started off with, very much blow dried hair because I had my hair in cornrows the night before, and I took out my cornrows the morning when I filmed this, and then I also went in with my blow dryer to stretch my hair out, because for this hairstyle it's pretty much advisable to do this on stretched hair. And what I'm doing right now, as you can see, I'm just trying to sleek down the front. I didn't want to use gel. Usually I'm a gel babe because I love using gel for my hairstyles, but for this one I just wanted it to be very simple for you guys. No gel, just your natural hair, and you just get the style in. So I used gel just for the edges to kind of sleek it down a little bit because I just wanted that sleek look at the front. And then what I'm doing right now is the flat twist proper. So I'm gonna try to explain how this works. So you want to start with a twist, and basically you're twisting on your scalp. So if you know how to do like a regular twist, then just twist on your scalp. You want to make sure you're grabbing hair from both sides, the back as well as the front, and so you're twisting on each strand. So you can see right now, I'm going to slow it down for you guys a bit. I'll put my hand beneath, grab hair from the back, and then pull it beneath, take my hands underneath, grab hair from the back, and just twist on that. I really hope it makes sense, and I really hope the video explains this better. But flat twists are pretty much easy. I tried to increase the brightness of my camera just so that you guys can clearly see what I'm doing. So you want to take hair from the back, twist it beneath, grab the hair from the front. Guys, I hope you I hope you guys can really try to grasp what I'm explaining, but the visuals would make it more understandable. With doing flat twists, you want to make sure that you're holding your hair tight, and if you have short hair, it's even more better to have a good grip, just so that the twists don't loosen up and it gives you that neat look. So this hairstyle, you can wear this to work. It's a very elegant hairstyle. You can wear it to work. I'll show you the dinner look if you want to wear this to dinner, like a date kind of look at the end. But this hairstyle, you can wear it to school, you can do it on your child, on your baby girl, you can do it on yourself. It is very elegant, very simple, literally takes 10 minutes. And yeah, so I was going for a puff at the back. That's why I did not flat twist it all the way to the back. So when you get towards the end, it's gonna get a little bit loose, but don't worry, we're going to fix that with the bun. So you just want to actually twist your hair right till the bottom. We can loosen that after we have it in a bun, but just twist it till the end. Okay, so here's a more detailed explanation. Use your index finger to first create a tiny section. Okay, get the next index finger beneath that hair and grab hair from the back. Then get your pinching fingers, pinch that hair at the top and send it beneath. So you twist beneath, and then you do the same thing. Okay, so you pinch, you send it beneath, you bring it out here, you put your index finger beneath, you grab hair from the back, you pinch, send it beneath while grabbing hair from the front, put your index finger, grab hair from behind, pinch, send it beneath. Okay, put your index finger underneath that hair, grab hair from the back, pinch, okay, send it beneath, put your index finger beneath that and grab hair from the back, pinch again, send it beneath while collecting hair from the front, put your index finger behind that, and then make sure you grab hair behind, if that makes sense. Okay, so you pinch, send it beneath. As you're twisting, you're grabbing hair from the front, you put your index finger behind and grab hair as you go. That's how you get the flat twist done. Key thing here basically is to make sure you're grabbing hair always. So as you progress towards the back, make sure you're getting some hair from the front and from the back. So it's getting hair from both sides that actually help you to create that flat twist effect. So you can't just do a twist without getting, you know, some hair to follow it. So that's how you twist on your scalp basically. So what I'm doing right now is just, you know, putting my hair in a bun behind and then just using my hairband to tie that up basically. And this is what the back is looking like. Okay, if my hair wasn't stretched, we probably would not have this bun we're looking at right here as full and fluffy as this. So you can decide to do this on not stretched hair, but it might be a bit difficult because with stretched hair your hair is very much detangled and it's more easy to manage. So yeah, that's why I would advise stretched hair, because your hair needs to be detangled, because if you don't detangle your hair, you're gonna have a very tough time, you know, detangling while you're holding, because you know you need to be firm on your scalp. So the flat twist needs to be firm, so you can't hold the flat twist and then you're detangling. So just detangle properly before you start going in. Here I'm just loosening up the twists and then just fluffing that out with my comb, and this is what it's looking like. So with this, like I said, it's pretty easy. Within 10 minutes you're done. So practice makes perfect. I believe that if you practice this several times, you're going to get it. It's really easy to grasp. I never knew how to do this until I tried it a couple of times, maybe 2-3 times, and I got it. So if you really want to learn how to do flat twists, just watch this video over and over again and you'll be able to figure it out. It's pretty easy, trust me. Now I'm just doing my edges using the same gel, which is the hair wax, which I always use. Okay, if you can get your hands on it, please do, and try to get the original, because with the original you don't get flakes, if that makes sense. So you don't get flakes, the white flakes that always comes out of gels. No, you don't get that. That's if you get the original, and I would highly recommend it. And this is what we're looking like. So you're already all set for work, all set for school, and you can go about your day. If you guys want to know the blow dryer that I use, I have a video linked. It is the Revlon blow dryer. It makes it pretty easy, so you don't have to go in with a comb. You just put your hair in this hair dryer and it comes out straight, or stretched rather. So if you want to get the hair dryer, this is the link to the video that you can check out and get the Revlon blow dryer. It makes it easier. So with the blow dryer and everything, let's say less than 20 minutes and you're done with this hairstyle. So if you want to go for like fuller look and have like an extension behind, I have this extension right here which I'm going to be attaching to the back to give me that full low bun look. It's a drawstring ponytail which I just attach to the back of my hair, and you know, just tie it down, stretch out the drawstring, and it's secured. Okay, and then you just make sure you want to hide the string just so that your string is not dangling on the street. So hide the string down, fluff it out a little bit and get it to your liking, and you're all set. That's pretty it. It's very basic, and yeah, that's how you get this flat twist hairstyle done. It's elegant, beautiful, stunning, different, and yeah, so it doesn't take too long to get this done. You can do this and you can be on your way to work, and that's it. Let me know what you guys think about this video. If you enjoyed it, if it was helpful, if you're gonna try this style, let me know down in the comment section. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.